Hello, I'm Simon Black, Regional Manager at the Cordon Bleu Brisbane Institute. Our first cohort of patisserie and cuisine students started at the campus this week, and as part of Orientation Week, we're down at SeaWorld on Australia's Gold Coast to learn more about the resort operations in Australia. Today we'll give our students a unique insight into the hotel industry on the Gold Coast and allow them to make new friends and have a bit of fun in the park ahead of the commencement of classes next week. We're really excited to welcome our first cohort of students to Brisbane campus, and you'll hear from some of them now.
I'm studying at Le Cordon Bleu Brisbane because it's the best I could ever have. There's nothing better than Le Cordon Bleu. When I graduate, I'd love to work as a pastry chef within Australia and give back what the country has given to me during my education period in Australia.
Cooking is a passion for me, and I never thought I'd really have the opportunity to explore this from a professional level. I do have a little bit of a dream to go to Paris, to Le Cordon Bleu over there, and do some further study and probably do some food writing as well.
I chose Le Cordon Bleu for being a to-go culinary school for most cooking lovers. I'd say Gordon Ramsay is a chef I aspire to, but he's known for being kind of a bully in the kitchen, right?
When I graduate, I like to open a cafe or a restaurant in Australia or in Malaysia. Since I was a little girl, I always wanted to become a pastry chef because I always watch my mom that she bakes a lot at home. Yeah, and then she really burns the fire in me.
I want to become a chef because I want to own my chain of restaurants all over the world and want to become famous.
A big thank you to the team at SeaWorld Resort for hosting us here today. It's been a great day and a fantastic insight for our students. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Brisbane campus very soon.